Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really exciting and exclusive for you, the world premiere of the global version Xiaomi Band 8. This smart bracelet features a stunning 1.62 AMOLED display and an ultra-long battery life of 16 days, making it the perfect accessory for anyone looking to stay connected and active on the go. But that's not all. The Xiaomi Band 8 comes packed with over 150 sport modes, so whether you're into running, yoga, or swimming, this smart bracelet has got you covered. It also features heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and even stress monitoring, giving you a comprehensive overview of your health and wellness. What I love most about the Xiaomi Band 8 is its sleek design and comfortable fit. It's lightweight and durable, making it perfect for everyday wear. Plus, with its water resistance up to 50 meters, you can wear it while showering or swimming without any worries. Now, I know what you're thinking, with all these amazing features, the Xiaomi Band 8 must be expensive, right? Wrong. This smart bracelet is incredibly affordable and offers incredible value for money. So, if you're looking for a stylish, functional, and budget-friendly smart bracelet, look no further than the Xiaomi Band 8. And the best part? You can purchase it right now using the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your active lifestyle with the global version Xiaomi Band 8. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the link to get your hands on this must-have accessory today. Trust me, you won't regret it.